Manually handling Shopify orders in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create items and sales invoice in Business Central the moment an order is placed on Shopify. Let's dive in. First, head over to the WireSocket website and sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, click on Create New Flow to start building your automation. In the Trigger section, search for Shopify. Select the event New Order. Connect your Shopify account. Click Test to ensure the connection is working properly. Once verified, hit Create. Configure the actions in Dynamics 365 Business Central. In the first action, choose the event Create New Item. Select your connection to Dynamics 365. Use the plus icon on the right to map the required fields using the data from your Shopify trigger. Once done, click Test to confirm the setup. Then click Create. Add another event in the same action. Choose the event Create Sales Invoice. Use your email ID to connect to Dynamics 365 and fill in the required credentials using the plus icon. Pay close attention, Dynamics 365 requires it in year, month, date format. For the same, go to the Trigger Response section and locate the date and time field from the Shopify order. Since we only need the date, so use the Custom Logic JS Code tool to extract just the date in the required format. Give prompt to the JS code. When you are done with it, click Create. Test the output and confirm by clicking Create again. Drag and drop this logic into the flow. Now, continue configuring the sales invoice. Set the invoice date and the necessary information. Also fill in the description. Test each field configuration. Once everything is good, click Create. Once you are done with the setup, click Publish Changes to activate your automation. The flow is published. To test it, open your Shopify store. Create a new order. Select the item. Fill out the necessary required details. Click Create Order. Once the order is placed, the flow will be triggered. Head back to WireSocket and check the flow history. Check the history and review the execution logs. You'll be seeing all the trigger details, actions performed, and the output logged. Once you are satisfied, finally go to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You'll see the item has been automatically created based on your Shopify order, and the sales invoice has been generated with all the credentials and details correctly filled in. Check the details properly. And that's it. You have now automated your Shopify to Dynamics 365 workflow with ease. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more automation tutorials.